Hello again, it's me Jeanette, and today I'm going to try out the Humidifier Diffuser Hello Kitty from Five Below. So 2 mist modes, USB power. So I don't think this one comes with the essential oil scent, so I got one, the white tea from another, that came with another Five Below diffuser. Open it up. Okay. Okay, so I think I'm gonna need the black. This doesn't take battery, so I'm gonna need to get my phone cord thing to put in. But this is what it looks like. And then I'll put some water and some of the diffuser oil in there in just a minute. I'll be back. Okay, so it comes with a cord, but it doesn't come with a little box. So let's open this up. I just gotta be careful. I gotta throw these away because the cats will get a hold of them. They love these things, but they're dangerous for them. Okay, let's see. Oh, first let me fill this water and put a couple drops of stuff in there. Okay, let's fill up the water. Okay. Okay, and turn that TV down a little bit. Put a little bit of oil in, because this diffuser doesn't come with some. The other diffuser I got from Five Below did. Okay, a few drops. This stuff smells good. This is white tea. Put her back together. Goes in there. Plug it in, and there's a button on the back. Let's push it. Oh, there! It immediately came on. Pretty cool. And of course, it smells so good, and you can put whatever scent you want in there. This is super cute. Okay. So, if you liked this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you have not already, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.